Hey there, design enthusiasts. I'm Sophia, and today has been an absolute blast exploring the timeless charm of rustic interior design for your farmhouse in 2024. I hope you've gathered some inspiring ideas that will transform your space into a haven of warmth and coziness. As we wrap up today's adventure, remember this: like in design, life is all about finding the perfect balance. Embrace the imperfections, cherish the little details, and let the beauty of simplicity guide you. Because sometimes it's the raw, unfiltered moments that create the most extraordinary memories. Now, before you go, don't forget to hit that like button if you found this guide helpful. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel for more design journeys and decor delights. Your support means the world to us, and we can't wait to have you join our community. Thanks for being a part of our creative family. So until next time, keep crafting your sanctuary of style. Take care.